Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke W, and today I'm going to try and save you what took me a month to figure out. So looking at the Hazmat review for Amazon, this is something that kind of took me a number of phone calls with Amazon Seller Central. I had a few representatives that didn't give me the correct information, but today I found it all out and everything is good and cleared. So I'm going to help you guys figure out how to successfully pass the Hazmat review with Amazon. Now before I start this, I want to let you guys know I wouldn't recommend for anyone doing a first-time product to look into anything that has batteries, is electrical, or anything like that. One, because it's kind of a liability, and two, because it's going to require Amazon to make you go through a Hazmat review. But if you're a little more experienced and just need some help with this Hazmat, let me show you exactly how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come into Seller Central and go up to the search bar, and you're literally just going to type in SDS. And the first thing that's going to come up here is this required information for products regulated as dangerous goods. So let's move this on over here, and we're going to click that. Now, I like to expand this all up here and move me over here again. So we're going to scroll through here. There's a number of different exemption sheets, and this is where I ran into some issues because one person told me I had to fill out one exemption sheet, the other one told me I had to do another one. But where we need to come down to is uploading the safety data sheet. So the first time the lady told me to come down to the bottom and fill this one out, exemption sheet for batteries and products containing or sold with batteries. Mine is not sold with this, so this is not what I need. But for my specific product and for pretty much anyone needing this kind of review, you're going to want to upload the safety data sheet. And you simply come down to where it says SDS upload tool. So I'm going to click on that. And right here is what we're going to come back to in a moment. This is where we're going to put in our product ASIN and upload our file. And okay, from this point, now that we're in this SDS upload tool section, right over here, guys, is where we're going to see the United States batteries and products that ship with batteries. This is what they want us to do. So I'm clicking right into here, and now this is the template that we're going to need to fill out, guys. So what you want to do is actually, you will need to probably call seller support, and if you guys don't know how to do that, you pretty much are going to want to download your seller app. Let's see, this is the Amazon seller app. If you guys know this app, I'm sure you guys do. Okay, simply coming, let's see if I can do this for you guys here. Clicking on this upper three lines here, you're going to see where it says contact seller support. Click on that, and you basically are going to be able to get on the phone with Amazon within minutes, okay? So what I do here, what you need that for is so they can give you your merchant ID, as you see here. They're the only ones that can give you that number, so you're going to need to do that. You'll fill today's date out. You need your first and last name, your company name, so that's not your brand name, but that's your actual storefront name, okay? And then these are all of the labels you have to figure out here. And most of the time, we're definitely not going to be selling anything explosive or any flammable things. So what we're going to do is come here and pretty much just say no to everything right down this whole list, okay? Now, the next step is we're going to need to check this. You have to check this, okay? And now what we're also going to do from that point is now come into Amazon. Let's see where I have my inventory. Okay, so for instance, even magnetic material is now required to do this safety data sheet. So what you do is you copy the ASIN, which is right here, and we're going to go back into our exemption sheet and paste that right in there. And are there batteries that power the product? And what Amazon wants to see is no and no. And the battery cell type, since there's no batteries, you still need to put something in there. That's what they told me on the phone, so I just say other. And then here, they even say, since there's two no's here, that means there's no need for any of this, so they're not going to look further, but they still want to see something in here. So I literally submitted mine saying alkaline batteries when it really doesn't even have that. So I'm still going to say 0 batteries included. The weight of those are 0. And for lithium batteries, this is something they said I don't need to fill out at all. So, okay, now another little mistake I made, which you guys don't want to do, is, see, I filled it out here, but first I'm going to want to actually, you guys want to download this, so you want to actually press download and save it to your desktop, so then you can open this and then actually save it to your desktop, because in here I can't pretty much save this anywhere. So you want to first download the exemption sheet to your desktop, then fill it out like we just did, and then after it's all saved to your desktop, you come in here, put in your ASIN. This is that part in the beginning I showed you guys about, right when you click into the safety data sheet upload tool. So you just throw in your ASIN. I'm on the US Amazon Marketplace. We got English, and then we just choose the file and upload that. But how you can check if your product needs this exemption sheet before you actually go any further, because what happened to me was I wanted to set my shipping plan up with my supplier for my newest product, and next thing I knew was I couldn't make the shipping plan because there was an error message. And so how I found that out was I said I was about to send the inventory, so I clicked the checkbox, went to the actions, I pressed send and replenish inventory, and after I pressed that, this came up. So it said Amazon dangerous goods or something, and it said, does this have a battery? I said no and no here, and I pressed submit, and then it made me wait, and then I had to actually upload the exemption sheet after all. So this is hopefully just going to save you guys a month's worth of time. If you guys need to rewatch this video, I encourage you to do that, because even if you watch this thing 5 times over, it's going to save you a lot more time than spending a whole month trying to get this done. So this is, again, something a little bit for more experienced sellers. Again, all you have to do is come up here, type in SDS. The first thing that comes up is required for dangerous goods. And we scroll down to where it says safety data sheets, and then we click on SDS upload tool, and then there we are. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to hear more about Amazon FBA, please subscribe to my channel. And on a little side note, I am actually making an Amazon Seller Pro course. I've been selling on Amazon for over a year now, and I'm getting into actually building a real brand, so that's really exciting. And I want to help everyone out there that's looking to get started with Amazon to actually do this. So you're going to see the first message in my description box down below is going to be my email address. So for anyone that wants to participate and get started with selling on Amazon, you're able to send me an email, and I'm going to give you a coupon of a $100 discount to my course when I do end up finishing it here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. The course is going to be selling for $397, but you're going to be able to buy it for $297 if you send me an email down there below to the lukeberg93@gmail.com email address. So I really hope you guys take some time to look more into Amazon, because as you know, it's growing. You can see their stock price is $1,500, and it's just soaring. They're expanding all over the world. And you guys do know, as e-commerce is a $22 trillion business this year, I mean, as of 2017, Amazon is one of the dominating marketplaces, and every customer is searching on Amazon. So getting yourself as a seller in Amazon and using my course as a way to learn how to source profitable products, and using, literally there's one tool that you need. It's called Jungle Scout, and I can just show you guys that are new to my channel. Those of you that already know all about this, you can just give that video a thumbs up real quick and call it good. But for those of you who want to stick around for a little more content, I might as well show you real quick the tool Jungle Scout. So what we do here is I'll give you guys different ways to actually find products, but I came across magnets one day and I ran Jungle Scout. This is the only tool you need to start really getting numbers to find profitable products on Amazon. And you can see the sales per month here. 2,000 sales a month, 3,000 sales a month, $40,000 in revenue a month. This is a competitive product, and we can judge that by the number of reviews here. You want to find a product that pretty much everyone is selling under 75 reviews here. But if you see anything like crazy high amounts of sales and high amounts of revenue for everybody on the first page and everyone below 75 reviews, you're on to something there, and that's going to be a good product. Then you want to come look at the price point. This is a pretty low price point, so I wouldn't want to sell this because my profit margin after Amazon fees and paying for my actual product from Alibaba.com is going to eat a lot up of this price if it's $6.99. So I like to source products that are $30 to $40 to $50, and that leaves a lot more margin for profit. The last thing I want to share is you also want to see a bunch of random brand names here. If you're seeing huge, like if you're selling toothpaste, you're seeing Colgate and Sensodyne and all these big toothpaste brands, you don't want to compete against those. But this is something where Anpro or Lovey Mag, these are people that is a good indicator that you can actually sell this product and be a competitor here, because you're not competing against Nike or Under Armour or something like that. So that's pretty much going to be it. If you guys want to learn more about product research, I have a ton more videos on that. But like I said, guys, the course is going to cover everything from getting your Seller Central set up. I'm going to go over pretty much everything you need to know in Seller Central. And I was going to show you that, but I got some hidden products up there I don't want to show you guys. So there's a lot more in store. Please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, basically I'm going to take you from finding your product, sourcing from suppliers, getting your listing set up, even advanced marketing campaign strategies with PPC, and even building a Facebook group for your product so you can drive traffic to Amazon from other sources like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. All these ways are possible, and this is how I was able to quit my job and start working from home. So if you guys are looking at that, you don't even need to spend that much time. I literally found my most recent product in 5 minutes. I have been sourcing products for quite a while now, so I got it pretty much down. But in the course, I'm going to give you guys like 4 different product research methods that is going to help you really find really random products that have great selling potential. So thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.